In this lecture, we have to study flow work, enthalpy, and entropy. Flow work. It is the term associated with the flow process. It is the work required to cause the flow of fluid in any passage against the existence pressure. Consider when substance is flowing through the same steady flow system, some work is required to be done to push the mass into system again inside and outside of the system against pressure of surrounding. Work done required to push the mass through the distance across the boundary of the system against the inside pressure at the inlet is flow work. Consider flow of fluid through a pipe of uniform cross-sectional area A as shown in figure. Let 1 kg of fluid move at a distance dx. This is the first figure. In that first figure, this is a pipe at cross-section AA. We can apply a pressure, and with that pressure, this will be pushed through the distance dx. We consider an imaginary piston of same cross section behind a section AA which forces the fluid to move at a distance dx. Flow work per unit mass. Flow work per unit mass is equal to force exerted by the piston into dx. Force exerted by the piston is nothing but pressure into area. Therefore, P into A into dx, area into distance, is nothing but a Vs. Vs is volume. Therefore, P into Vs, total flow work for the unit mass, for that particular mass, so that this M is added here. M in bracket P into Vs in bracket complete, the unit will be a kilojoule. Next, enthalpy. Enthalpy is nothing but the total heat content of the system. Total heat content of the system is defined as the energy, which is the algebraic sum of internal energy plus flow work. Therefore, internal energy H, capital H, is equal to U. U is nothing but the internal energy plus PVS is nothing but flow work. Its unit is kilojoule. The enthalpy increases with the addition of heat and it should be decreases with the rejection of heat, because of it should be the contained total heat of the system. If from system we can remove some amount of heat, obviously its enthalpy should be decreases, and we can add some heat to the system, obviously it will be the addition of heat, enthalpy increases. Entropy. Entropy is nothing but a transformation of the system. It is the thermodynamic property of the system which increases with the addition of heat and decreases with the rejection of heat. It is the thermodynamic variable which is introduced to study the behavior of system when it passing through the thermodynamic cycle. Therefore, change in entropy is given by ds. ds is nothing but the change in entropy is equal to dq by T. Therefore, unit of entropy is kilojoule per degree Kelvin.